Looks like the coast is clear. Come on, move in. Alright everybody, take 5.
Thanks, sir.
I'm way ahead of you.
Finally.
You didn't think I was gonna let my bomb carrier pass out like that, did you?
No, sir.
Oh, what's the matter? The big bad explosive expert can't handle a few miles?
Well, at least I can actually win my spars. Mr. Oh, I hurt my arm. We have to stop.
Wait, what? How'd you know that?
Ooh, he got you good.
Shut up, you.
Yeah, and...
Hey, knock it off. If you keep talking shit, I'll have both of your asses scrubbing floors for the rest of your careers. Is that understood?
Lieutenant, it was just friendly jokes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that insulting your squad mates was a joke. Do you see what kind of problems that could lead to? Now don't get me wrong, I'm not against fun and games, but what you guys are doing is fucking ridiculous, and I want it to end now. That's an order. Understood? Hello, I asked a question.
Understood, sir.
Good. If you guys want to compare each other's dick sizes, then do that at base, not here. I'm gonna contact HQ now.
Killjoy.
Shut up. He's right. This is a serious mission.
You know what? I think me and the kid finally agree on something.
See? Carmine gets it. Hey, what do you mean, kid?
Shut it.
Com check, Mira, HQ. Please respond. Over.
I read you loud and clear, Gregory.
That's good to hear. Can you give me a rundown of our surroundings? How far is the Kepler installation? And we haven't come across any rebels yet. What's the deal with that? Are there any rebels in the surrounding area? Over.
I don't pick up any heat signatures within a 10-mile radius, but the Kepler installation is 4 miles to the west. They might be at one of the other outposts, but don't do anything stupid, okay?
Fantastic. We're gonna keep moving west then. Hopefully we can slip in without being detected. Keep me posted. Gregory out.
I wonder why there aren't any pickups on our radars.
Sir, it looks like we've picked up several readings on our scans and they've brought something very radioactive. Do you want us to send out the prototypes?
No, they're not ready yet. I think it's time we let the new recruits see some action. Now get out of my sight.
Sir, yes sir, I'll get right to it.
Took 7 years. Hope you're ready.